I'm going to explain to you how to buy the pre-sale. I'm going to use this account as a demonstration. So what you're going to do, you either click on this button called buy. This is the first optional. You click on this section called buy, or you come here and click where under pre-sale and go where there is the pre-sale plan there. That's where you click. So from there you come and choose the package. Round one, we are buying at 0.00045, and with the package of $100 that I want to buy, I'll be getting about 200,000 tokens for this account. Yes, I've become a right explorer. So these are tokens. So I click become the founder. Then once I click there, they will show me the deposit balance. I have 0, so I have to load my deposit balance. The rate at which I'm buying this coin, which is the cheapest price so far available, the amount I'm supposed to send on this wallet, and the token that I'll be getting. The minimum amount is $10 to buy. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on add the fund. So I click add the fund. After add the fund, they'll give you all the coins that you can use to pay based on what you have. USDT, BIP20 is Binance Network. You can use Tron, you can use all these to purchase the token. But for now, I'm going to use USDT, which is BIP20. Or you can use even TRS USDT. TRS 20 is there. But the reason why I like BIP20 because it comes with zero transaction. So I come here and I select this one. Then get deposit wallet. Okay. The moment it loads, they will give me the wallet. I have to take note of the network that I've chosen and the wallet ID for my account. So I'm going to copy exactly this. So I click copy. After copying, I'll go straight to my wallet or to my Binance or wherever you are keeping your USDT, so you can send to this account. So now this is inside my Binance account. I'll click on send inside my Binance account because I have the money here. Then I choose on chain because I'm using blockchain to send. I'm sending USDT to this account, and I will paste the address here, and I will choose the network which I've selected, which is BIP20 USDT. So you can see the steps. Then I'll put the amount that I want to send to this account, which is $100, the way you see it here. The reason why I like it because it comes with 0 network fee, as you can see it there. So the moment I send, I put in my security. Now I put on my the authenticator, then poof, it's sent. So I wait. Now I can see for my Binance, the transaction is complete. Now you can see already my deposit is here, which I've sent. So after here, I just click buy. Then I confirm the purchase. Boom. Now I've already purchased $100 worth of this. Now you can see if you go under pre-sale transaction, this section here, under pre-sale transaction, then you can see the coins that you have bought and the price at which you have bought it, which is the cheapest price possible. So that's how you buy the pre-sale. Share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching. My name is Coach Mustafa. Thank you for being part of my team.